Hello and welcome to Pabli. So some of the users were facing issues while connecting Facebook Messenger with Pabli Connect. So in this video, we are going to discuss those issues and we are going to see how you can resolve them as well. So the first issue which the users were facing that even after making a successful connection, all the Facebook pages are not shown inside this drop down of trigger step. Now, this is happening because you might not have any business account with Facebook for that particular page. But if you have one, I'm going to show you how you can resolve it. And to resolve it, first we will go to our Facebook account. And after coming to your Facebook profile, just click on this account option, go to settings and privacy and go to settings. And after that, we will just scroll down and we will come to this section of business integration. Under business integration, you can see this option of Pabli Connect. Just click on this remove button and remove the existing integration. So what we have done, we have basically removed all the connections of our Facebook profile with Pabli Connect as of now. Now before doing this, you have to ensure that you are not using your Facebook account. Your Facebook account is not connected with any other active workflow for any other application in Pabli Connect. Like if you have connected your Facebook account with Pabli Connect for Facebook pages, Facebook comments or Facebook lead ads, make sure to update those connections as well. Now, after removing this app, first what we have to do before making a new connection with Facebook Messenger, we have to try connecting our Facebook lead ad application of Pabli Connect with Facebook. So for that, we will just scroll down and come to this Actions tab. And here in Choose App, search for Facebook lead ads and just select it. After selecting it, just go to this action event and select any action event of your choice. Then just click on Connect and select Add New Connection. So we have to set up a new connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabli Connect first. We are just going to make this dummy connection. We are not going to use this particular action for now. Then just click on Connect with Facebook lead ads button and then we will complete the connection process. So we have to basically first connect our Facebook lead ads account with Pabli Connect to continue using Facebook Messenger with Pabli Connect as well. And the connection is successfully made. And after making this connection, in this drop-down of page, you will see a list of all the Facebook pages which you have in your Facebook profile. So you will even see the pages which were not shown in your Facebook Messenger trigger in this drop-down. After connecting Facebook lead ads one, we don't have to make any API call or set up this step. We will get back to our Facebook Messenger step. We will go to Connected and select Add New Connection. Now we will set up a new connection between Facebook Messenger and Pabli Connect. For that, just click on this Connect with Facebook Messenger button, click on Continue, select all the Facebook pages which you have in your Facebook account and after selecting the pages, just click on Next. Here in Permission section, make sure you have selected all the permissions, all of the options are turned at Yes and then just click on Done. And as we click on Done, we will see our Facebook Messenger account will get connected with Pabli Connect. And after making this connection, here in this drop-down of Facebook page, you will see a list of all the Facebook pages. And the pages which were not shown earlier, you can see the same pages as well in this drop-down. In this way, you can solve the first issue that some of the pages are not shown in the Facebook Messenger trigger inside Pabli Connect. Now after this, the second issue which the user faces is that even after making this successful connection, when they select the Facebook page and click on this Save and Send Test Request button, it has changed to waiting for webhook response. But when they receive a new message on their Facebook Messenger for this Facebook page, even in that case, those messages are not captured inside Pabli Connect. You made the right connection, but the messages are not captured inside Pabli Connect and you can only see this option of waiting for webhook response, even when you get a response of success in the dropdown. Now to resolve this issue, what we have to do, once again we'll go back to our Facebook profile and this issue can be caused because you might have added multiple platforms or multiple applications for Facebook Messenger in your Facebook profile. Let's say to create a chatbot, you might have connected multiple platforms with your Facebook account. And because of that, you might not be receiving the messages inside Pabli Connect. Now to resolve this issue, what you have to do, in your Facebook profile, first switch your account and switch to your Facebook page. Like I want to capture the messages for this Facebook page named as Green Pro Landscaping, the same page which we have selected inside Pabli Connect. So switch your profile to that particular page's profile. After switching the profile, from the left sidebar, we will go to this New Page Experience section. And then here you can see conversation routing, this option. Just click on this option of conversation routing. After coming to this section, at top you can see this option of default routing app. Now here in default routing app, if you already selected some app, you just have to click on this edit button. But if not, you will get an add button over here. Just click on that. I will click on this edit button and this box will appear in front of us in both the cases. And here in this box, from this drop down, we have to select the Pabbly Connect app. Here in this drop down, you will see a list of all the active apps which you have in your Facebook account connected, but we have to select the Pabbly Connect app over here. Select this option of allow this app to take control of conversation and click on save. And as you click on save, the default routing app for all the messages of your Facebook account will be sent to Pabbly Connect. We have selected Pabbly Connect as the default app. And here under social routing as well, you will see under Facebook page, Pabbly Connect will be selected. Now this means that all the messages which you are receiving on your Facebook pages, all of those messages will be sent dedicated to Pabbly Connect. So you can still see the incoming messages on your Facebook account under Meta Business Suite in the inbox, but also those messages will be sent to Pabbly Connect for sure. Now after making this change, what we are going to do, we are going to receive a response or message for the same Facebook page which we have connected over here. I will just change my Facebook profile to Michael Karas, this particular user, and from this particular user's profile, I will send a message on my Facebook page. So let me access my Facebook page first. And here from this Facebook page, I'm going to send a message. Just click on this message button and the message which I'm going to send is hello. So just now I sent a message. Michael Karas, this user sent a message on our Facebook page. And after making these changes, we will see in our Pabbly Connect workflow, in this trigger step, we have received the response. And in this response, you will see the exact same message which we have sent just now. Here you can see the same message hello and same name of the person who sent the message. In this way, you can solve both the issues, whether it can be your Facebook page not appearing inside Pabbly Connect or whether the issue is the Facebook Messenger messages are not receiving inside Pabbly Connect. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If you have any kind of doubts, queries or issues, you can always write us in the comment box below. So this is it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.
If you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can email us at support@pabbly.com or post it on our forum over here. Or you can write us in the comment box below too. If you want to check out the pricing of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this link. And if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Pabbly. So this is it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.